Now, some of the books that I'd like to recommend are, first of all, the older resources. In fact, this is the very first book that I ever had in 1968. This particular book, Kiro's Palmistry for All, is a great general guide, but definitely dated, along with The Laws of Scientific Handreading by Benham. Both of these books have a very strong Victorian attitude in relationship to human personality and character. But for general reading and an understanding of the history of palmistry, these are good references. For beginning students, what I recommend today is Palmistry, The Whole View by Judith Hipskind. This is an excellent title. Some other good beginning authors are any of the books by Elizabeth Brenner. This particular title is Hand in Hand. And also, any book that you can find by Fred Gettings. This particular title, once again, is The Book of the Hand. Fred Gettings has done quite a bit of work combining astrology with palmistry. So those of you who have that interest, he's another really good resource. Now, I'm finding new books on palmistry all the time, and I'm not going to go through all of the books that are available for you. But I would like to give you a few more books for more advanced study that have a more psychological orientation or a more medical orientation. A classic in the field is Charlotte Wolfe's The Hand in Psychological Diagnosis. This is an excellent resource for anybody who's interested in psychology, research, and palmistry. I particularly found a copy of this at the University Library in Berkeley. You might want to check out your own university libraries and see what you can find there. Another good book for a psychological orientation is Applied Hand Reading by Arnold Holtzman. This particular text has a psychoanalytic orientation to personality and character. And if you have a medical bent, this text, Medical Palmistry by Steinbach, might be very interesting to you. Now, another good book, particularly for the science of dermatoglyphics, is Your Life in Your Hands by Beryl Hutchinson. And this particular book has a good overview of dermatoglyphics, the language, and how to look at the hand from that perspective. Now, obviously, these are just a few of the resources that are available to you, and I'm certain that in the coming years there will be even more books coming into print. So keep your eyes open and keep checking your bookstores.